Parallel combination. So yesterday I explained parallel series combination. Series combination is over. Today I am going to explain parallel combination. Parallel combination. This is a combination of capacitors in a parallel. In a parallel. So come to the point. I'm going to explain parallel combination. Parallel combination. In the parallel combination, I'm taking this is a one capacitor. This is a one capacitor. This is another capacitor. This is a C1 capacitor. This is a C2 capacitor. This is C1 capacitor. This is C2 capacitor. Both are different capacitors. Both are different capacitors. This is a battery. This is a battery. This is a battery. These two tendons are joined. This is a wire, connecting wire. Connecting wire is joined to ends of the capacitors. This is a one more connecting wire is joined to these two wires. These two are, this is connected to positive terminal of the battery. Positive terminal of the battery. Positive terminal of the battery. This is a capacitor plate 1. This is a C2 plate 1. Two plates are connected to positive terminal of the battery. Positive terminal of the battery. So this is C1, this is C2. This is a second plate of C1. This is a second plate of C2. Two are connected to negative terminal of the battery. Now circuit is closed. Now circuit is closed. This is circuit is closed circuit. Closed circuit. Now in the circuit, now positive terminal, negative terminal. Negative terminal. Voltage is, what is voltage? Voltage is V voltage. V voltage. Okay. Now here condition is, what is a condition? Condition number 1. Condition is so voltage is same. Voltage is same. Same for both capacitors. Same for both capacitors. Both capacitors. Both capacitors. 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 But Q is different. Q is different. V is voltage is same. Voltage is same for the both capacitors. But Q is different. Q is divided. Divided. Q is divided. V is same. Q is divided. Q is divided. Here, so this is current, that is I. This is a closed circuit. Current flows from high potential to lower potential through two capacitors. Through two capacitors. Do you know very well how many equal? The current I is equal to Q by T. This is the current. This is a current. So this is a T is equal to once again. Current I is equal to Q. Current I is equal to Q. Current is equal to Q. Current is equal to Q. This is a Q is divided. Q is divided. This is C1 capacitor. This is current I is equal to. This is I reaching to this point. This is I is equal to Q. This is Q. Q is entering into the junction point. Q is entering into the junction point. This Q is divided into Q1 and Q2. C1 capacitor taken as Q1. C2 capacitor takes as Q2. Q1 is flowing through the C1 capacitor. Q2 flows through C2 capacitor. Both are reaching to at this point. Both are combined and amount to Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2. Q1 plus Q2. This Q is reaching to the negative terminal of the battery. Negative terminal of the battery. Negative terminal of the battery. Now here. So what is the difference here? Q is different. So capital Q, this is a capital Q, we are taking capital Q. This Q is divided into, this Q is divided into C1 capacitor takes as a Q1, C2 capacitor takes as a Q2 charge, Q2 charge. Okay, we know very well, we know very well. So what is the formula? CV is equal to Q. CV is equal to Q. Capacitance voltage is equal to Q. Voltage is equal to Q is equal to CV. We are going to find. Okay, this is a circuit becomes a circuit become this is circuit to become two capacitors are parallel. Two capacitors are parallel. These two are combined, and this is a C total. This is a V total. This is a V total. This is a V total. This is a C total. It is combined. This is a Q total. Q total. Q total. The circuit will become like this. The circuit will become like this. Now, according to CV is equal to Q. This is a C total, V total, Q total. This is a formula. This is a formula. Okay, come to the point. Come to the point. So here Q is equal Q1 plus Q2. Q1 plus Q2. This is a Q total. Q. So what is a Q1? Q1 means what is a Q1? Q1 means general formula. What is the general formula? For Q1 charge. Charge is across here. So what is the voltage? Voltage is same for the both capacitors. So what is the voltage drop across here? This is a V voltage. What is the voltage drop across this capacitor? V voltage. Voltage is same for the C2 capacitor. This voltage is same for the C1 capacitor. C1 capacitor voltage is same for the both capacitors. Both capacitor. So here you see. So what is the charge across C1 capacitor? Charge across C1 capacitor. What is the formula? C1 capacitor. What is the charge across C1 capacitor? Charge across. I'm going to write here. Charge across C1 capacitor. C1 capacitor. CV is equal to Q. CV is equal to Q. So what is a C1 capacitor? Name is C1 capacitor. Voltage is V. Charge is Q1. Charge is Q. Next, charge across C2 capacitor. CV is equal to Q, general function. What is the capacitance name? C2. Voltage is V. Charge is Q2. We are going to write. Now, in this formula, Q total means Q total is equal to C total V total. C total V total. Next, Q1 means what is the Q1? Q1 means C1V. C1V plus Q2 means Q2 is equal to C2V. This is the formula. Okay. This is a C total. This is a V total is equal to V take the common C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2. Here V cancels each other. V total is equal to V. V total is equal to V. V total is equal to V. So V is same for the both capacitors. Both the capacitors. V total is equal to V. C total is equal to C1 plus C2. This is the formula. This is the two capacitors are in parallel. So what is the C total means? C total is equal to C1 plus C2. C total is equal to C1 plus C2. This is the formula. This is a formula. This is a formula. Okay. Okay. Next, charge cycles. So what is the Q1? Q1 is equal to C1V. C1V. This is a V is the same for the both capacitors. Both the capacitors. Q1 is equal to C1. So V means what is a V? V total is equal to V. This is we are going to write C total V is equal to Q total. Q total, this is a formula. So V total means we are going to write what is the V total? V total is equal to here. We are going to write this is V is equal to V is equal to Q total by C total. V total by C total. We are going to write this is a formula. Now this is Q1 is equal to Q1 is equal to C1. V means Q total by C total. Q total by C total. So Q1 is equal to C1. Q total means what is the Q total? Q total. Q total means this is Q total into C1. C1 by C total means what is the C total? C1 plus C. C1 plus C2. This is a charge across Q1 capacitor. This is a charge across Q1 capacitor. Next, charge across Q2 capacitor. Q2 C2 capacitor. So Q2 is equal to C2B. C2B. This is a Q2 is equal to C2. V means what is a V? V is equal to Q total by C total. Q total by C total. Q2 is equal to Q total C2 by C total. C total. That is a next, Q2 is equal to Q total into C2 by C total. C total means C1 plus C2. This is a charge across C2 capacitor. C2 capacitor, that is a this is a combination of capacitors in a parallel combination. This is a combination of capacitor. This is a parallel combination. Parallel combination. This is a formula. This is a formula is very important. This is a Q total. Q total is equal to Q1 plus Q1 plus. I'm going to explain. 3 capacitors are connected in parallel. Next one. Next, 3 capacitors are connected. This is the capacitor, first capacitor. C1 capacitor. C1 capacitor. This is a C2 capacitor. C1 capacitor, C2 capacitor, C3 capacitor, C3 capacitor. This is a first plate capacitor. This is a first plate C1 capacitor. This is a first plate C2 capacitor. This is a first plate C3 capacitor. all are joining. So this is the first plate, C1 capacitor is joining here. This is a first plate C2 capacitor are joining here. This is the first plate of C3 capacitor joining here, join here, joint here. Okay. Similarly, same way, this is all three terminals joint here, joint here. So this is three terminals. Three terminals of capacitors are connected to positive terminal of the battery. Positive terminal of the battery. Three terminals are connecting positive terminal of the battery. Positive terminal of the battery. These three terminals are connected to negative terminal of the battery. Negative terminal of the battery. Negative terminal of the battery. We know conditions very well. So what is the conditions we have? What is the conditions? Conditions number one, condition. What is the condition? Condition number one, V is same. Voltage is same. So the C3 capacitor takes voltage V. C2 capacitor takes voltage V from the battery. C1 capacitor takes voltage V, total voltage V takes. Okay now? So voltage drop across three capacitors, voltage drop. So what is the voltage drop across C3 capacitor V? What is voltage drop across C2 V? What is voltage drop across C1 capacitor V? This is a V shape. Here V, this is a V is equal to V is equal to V is equal to V. This is a A, both are A. This is a V total is equal to V. V total is equal to total voltage is equal to V. V are same voltage. But Q is divided. Q is divided. Actually, this current is already told you. The current is equal to charge. The charge is reaching to this total charge is reaching to at this point. This charge can be divided into Q1 charge, Q2 charge. This is a Q3 charge. This is a divided the charge. Q total is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. This is a junction. Total charge entering into the junction. Sum of leaving the charges from the junction point. Okay, come to the point. General formula of capacity is equal to CV is equal to Q. CV is equal to Q. This is a general formula. That is a general formula. That is a general. Okay, come to the point. V is same, Q is divided, CV is equal to Q. This circuit is become three capacitors, C1, C2, C3 capacitors are combined to form a C2. It is form a C total. This is a batch. This is a V total. This is a Q total is equal to C total. According to formula, what is the formula? CV is equal to Q. CV is equal to Q. C total, V total is equal to Q total. This is a V as. C total is equal to V total is equal to V. This is a Q total. This is a formula. That is a formula. Okay. The circuit became like this. C total by V total. C total means C1, C2, C3 are combined. So come to the point. So here voltage is same, Q is divided. So Q total is equal Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. This is a charges. So here, so what is the formula? Q is divided. So what is the Q total? Q total is equal to C total, B total. Q1 means, what is Q1? Q1 means, so what is the general formula? General formula is equal to, Q is equal to C. Q1, so this is a C is equal to Q. C1 is equal to Q1, C1, B. C1, B total voltage, and this is a Q1. For Q1 means C1 B plus Q2 means charge across C2 capacitor. That is CB is equal to Q. I'm taking C2 Q2 B. C2 Q2 B. This is Q2 means capacitor. Charge across C3 capacitor is CB is equal to general formula Q. CB is equal to Q. C3 B3 B. Q3 B. So this is a formula. Q3 means C3 B. C3 B. C total B is equal to B and B. This term having B. This term also having B. This term also B. So we take the common from three terms. C1 plus C2 plus C3. So we cancel each other. C total is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. This is a C total value. This is a C total value. C total value. C total value. C total value. The means this is a equivalent capacitance. This is a equivalent capacitance of equivalent capacitance in parallel combination is equal to sum of individual capacitance. Individual capacitance. Equivalent capacitance in parallel combination is equal to sum of individual capacitance. Sum of individual capacitance. That is equivalent capacitance in the parallel combination is equal to sum of all individual individual capacitance. Individual capacitance. That is a point. Next, equivalent value. So value equivalent value in the parallel combination. In parallel combination, combination is always greater to is greater than 2 then 2 is greater to I square in the combination. I square in the highest value in the combination. This is very equivalent value in parallel combination is greater greater than to highest value in the combination. 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 For n identical capacitor, capacitor, for n identical capacitor, Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus small Cn. This is a different. Identical means C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C. Voila. Cp is equal to, we are going to write C plus and so on. We are going to write this is Cp is equal to Nc. This is n identical capacitor. N identical capacitor. N identical capacitor is, so what is the formula? Cp is equal to N into C. Okay now. Two capacitors are connected in A. For example, this is a capacitor 1, this is a capacitor 2. This is a connected to battery. This is a C1, CC, for example. CC. What do we know formula? C total is equal to C1 plus C2. This is a formula for both are different capacitors means this is a formula. Both are same capacitance means C. C1 is equal to C, C2 is equal to C plus C. What is that? 2C. N is equal to 2 capacitors. Cp is equal to N is equal to 2C. That is the answer. We are going to solve. Okay. So next, this is for n identical capacitor. For example, we know formula Cv is equal to Q. What is the condition? V is same. V1 is 2, V2 is 2, V3 is equal to 1 is to 1. For example, we need charges. Charges are different. Q1 is 2, Q2 is 2, Q3 is equal to CV is 2, CV, C1, C2, C3. So what is the voltage? Voltage is same in this condition. We will cancel. Q1 is 2, Q2 is 2, Q3 is equal to C1 is 2, C2 is 2, C3. That is a next, energies. Energy means U1 is 2, U2 is 2, U3 is equal to C1 is 2, C2 is 2. That is a that is your problem. That is your that is your that is your formula. Your so now you see the capacitance now. This is very important. Three capacitors, 1, 2, 3. Three capacitors are connected now. 1, 2, 3. three capacitors are contained. Parallel means C total is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Suppose n capacitors are connected in a parallel combination means n capacitors. N capacitors are connected in a parallel combination means what we are going to write? We are going to write this is a C total is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus and so on C. This is a formula. This is a n different capacitors are connected in a parallel combination. C total is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus and so on C. C n. So we are going to write this is a C total. This is a C total. This is a parallel combination. Sigma I is equal to 1 n. This is a C. 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 This is we are going to write Ci. Ci. See, this is a formula. This is the n capacitor. This is a Ci. Suppose, for example, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, Cp is equal to C. Suppose I is equal to 2, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 3, for example. Suppose, for example, I is equal to 3, I is equal to 3. Cp is equal to sigma I is equal to okay na? 3 means what we are going to draw is Cp. Cp is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 we are going to write. C3 we are going to write. Okay. So keep in your mind that part. Okay. That is the charge. Next. We are putting charges across the C1, C2, C3. C1, C2, C3. Charges across C1, C2 capacitor. First capacitor, C1 capacitor, C1 capacitor. General formula Cv is equal to Q1. Cv is equal to Q. First capacitor, C1 capacitor, voltage is V, charge is Q1. So what is the charge across Q1? Q1 is equal to C1 V. C1 Q1 is equal to C1 V. V means what is the V? V means V total. What is the V total? V total is equal to what we are going to write? V total is equal to V. From this formula, V total is equal to V is equal to V is equal to this is a formula we are going to take. This is a this one we take out. C1 is equal to okay, first I'm going to write this is a C total is equal to V total is equal to Q total. This is a V total is equal to V total is equal to Q total by C total. I write this is a C total V total is equal to Q total is equal to V total is equal to Q total by C total. This is the formula. Next is C1 capacitor. Charge across C1 capacitor. What is the formula? Cv is equal to Q. This is a charge across C1 capacitor. Name is C1, V and Q1. This is the formula. This is a so Q3 is equal and V total means Q total by C total into C3. C total into C3. Q3 is equal Q total into C3 by C1 plus C2 plus C3. This is a capacity. This is a Q3. This is a Q3 well. This is a capacitance. This is a very important. Here, so C1 capacitor. What is the charge value? Directly you can use this formula. Q1 is equal to Q total C1 by C1 plus C2 C3. Next, charge across C2 capacitor. Charge across C2 capacitor is Q2 is equal to Q total C2 by C1 plus C2 plus C3. You can write. Next, charge across C3 capacitor. That is Q3 is equal to Q total into C3 by C1 plus C2 plus C3. You can directly take the formulas. You can solve the problems very easily. Very easy. You can do it like okay. So this is a combination of capacitor parallel. Three capacitors are connected in parallel means C total is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So what is the condition? V is the same, charge is divided. This is a charge is divided. Q total is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Okay. What is the Q1 charge? What is the Q2 charge? What is the Q3 charge? We are finding Q1 charge, Q2 charge, Q3 charge by using this formula. Next, C total is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Next, V is same, Q is divided. This is a main points that comes in this class. Okay, keep in your mind this is points very important. Next concept. For identical capacitors. For identical capacitors. So for n identical capacitor, n identical capacitor for n identical capacitor, n identical capacitor. I explained the formulas, that is identical capacitor. Cp is equal to Cp is equal to Cp is equal to Cp is equal to an identical capacitor n into C, n into C. Cs. This is a capacitance. Capacitors are connected in parallel. This is a capacitance are connected in series. This is a C by F. This is a this is our equation number one. This is equation number two. 1/2 and divide the 1/2. 1/2. Cp by Cs is equal to Nc by C by N. C by N. Cp by Cs is equal to, this is a by 1. Nc by 1 into N by C. Cc cancel. This is a N square. Cp by Cs